guys, so RPG show wig. LOL, if my voice is not matching my lips, I'll tell you why. I forgot to hit the record on the microphone. So let's get into the video, even though I'm moving my lips and they don't match. LOL, you guys. So I'm gonna unbox the wig from beginning to end with y'all. So this is how the wig looks in the box. I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description box to the exact wig that I got. So this is her right here, and included in the box comes a cute little magazine, which I'm definitely gonna set aside to put on my center table. It's actually a really nice magazine, like really quality articles and photos on the inside. And it also came with a melting band and some lace front tape, so I can just tape these on if I wanted to. So it's included in the package, which is pretty handy. Also came with a cute little zip-up bag for my wig when I'm not wearing her. Now back to the wig. So I'm just going to show you the construction of the wig. So this is what the inside looks like. This is a full frontal, by the way. It has built-in straps for extra security. It has these combs that you can also use, and there's also the additional straps at the back of the actual cap that you can adjust as necessary. So yeah, so let's try her on. So the snug is already so perfect. It's nice and snug, and it doesn't have like a lot of empty space, and I did get a medium cap size as well. So I'm just trying it on just to see how it's gonna look. Of course, this is not the final look, guys. Don't be afraid, LOL. And the great thing about the wig, it's already plucked and it's already tweezed and bleached, so you do not have to do any extra work. So now I'm gonna work on cutting out my ear section. So I just put a part on top of my ear in that empty space, and then I'm gonna cut along the part. And be sure to leave yourself a little sideburn at the side of the lace. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut across the entire front of the lace. I always normally cut in a zigzag pattern, but I am going to give just cutting straight across a try and see if there's any really big difference. So here's a close-up of how the lace looks once it's cut, and the lace had a little bit of a brown tint, so it is gonna help the lace blend in with my skin. So I'm gonna do my makeup to help bring this look together. We're almost there, guys, and bam. I'm gonna go ahead and also glue down the ear tabs, because as I said, this is a glueless wig, so you do not have to glue the whole entire thing down. But just to keep the ear tabs from flying up, I'm gonna add a little glue to the corners. In the box there was also some tape, so you can also use the tape if you don't have glue for whatever reason, or you can use hairspray or melting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and put my sticky little secret on for my ear tab portion of the wig. So once the lace glue dries clear, I can go ahead and put my lace into the glue and give it a firm press. So we're almost done getting ready. The only thing left to do is melt down the remaining front of the lace. So remember, I didn't put any glue across the whole entire section. I only put the glue on the ear tab corners. So now I'm just using this melting spray also from my Sticky Little Secret, and I'm using that to just help melt and secure the wig to my forehead. And I'm also using my headband that RPG Show provided in the box, so it came in pretty handy. So it's been about 10 minutes, and I also stepped off camera and just added a little light curl to the wig just to bring it back to life, you guys. So I'm also going to remove my headband to reveal the melt. Oh yeah. So nightmare, I did not have my microphone on that whole time. So that was awkward, but we have it on now. So I'm back again. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. I think she looks great. Yeah, I think she looks awesome. I wish I had the right curling instruments to get like that that bump, you know, with this one. And I do want to cut it because I really love the length that it's at right now. Yes, I love it, you guys. So let me put on my super ultimate little birthday dress and be right back with you guys, okay? Okay, so BRB. Here we are. Here's a finished look. So I cut the layers in the front a little bit shorter, but I still wanted them pretty long. So this is how we are looking, guys. It feels really great. The density is really just perfect because it's just not too big, not too small, it's just right. So as I mentioned before, all the details to this exact wig and also RPG Show website is in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. So for those of you wishing me happy birthday, mwah, thank you guys so much. I'm so glad I got this wig for my birthday. It's going to be so cute when I go out later, take some photos. Really loving it. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to see you next time. I love you guys so much. Mwah. And thanks again. Happy birthday to me. Thanks, RPG Show.